Hi, hello and welcome to DzynerByDesign. In this video, I'm going to share how to create a simple logo. Logo styles can be divided into 5 basic categories: watermark, lettermark, brand mark, combination mark, and emblem. In this video, I will show you a simple PowerPoint hack to create combination logo. Combination logo is to create logo using the text and a shape. Alright, let's get started. To start with, insert an alphabet, or it could be a short form of your brand. For this example, I am using the letter A. Format the letter with your desired font and your desired size. Now, add a simple shape of your choice. For this example, I chose a rounded rectangle. Using the orange dot, I am reducing the curvature on the edge of the rounded rectangle. Then format it to equal height and width. Now, I am rotating this to 45 degrees so it shows like a diamond shape. Send the rectangle backward, making sure the alphabet is on the top layer. Adjust the position so that the letter covers the bottom edge of the shape. Now, select the rectangle shape first and then the letter. Go up to the Format menu. From the Merge Shapes command, select Fragment. You will see that the rectangle has been broken into multiple shapes fragmented all along the text. From here, remove the upper half of the letter A. You get an amazing designer letter. You may now apply color of your choice. Let me apply gradient coloring to the rectangle and to the lower half of the letter. You may use it like this, or let me show you another hack. Select the rectangle, cut the object, right click and paste as picture. Now, to see the magic, reduce the height of the object by dragging the top end point slowly downwards. Do you see as if the letter is slipping away from a plane surface and falling down? Now that's what I'm talking about. Isn't it amazing? Optionally, you may add a shadow effect to the object. Not just adding the shadow effect, increase the distance of the shadow to show the plane surface hanging up in the air. Again, this is totally optional. With a simple hack, you are able to create a logo within minutes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you learned something new today. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, and for more such useful videos, subscribe to DzynerByDesign. See you in another video. Bye now.